compared to other exams or maybe other certification processes you've been in, how stressful was this? Can you say maybe from a scale from 1 to 10, how stressful was it?
Well, I will say that the CKAD, that was my first certification like 4 or 5 months ago, was really stressful, like 8 points stressful on them. Because, well, it was my first time on a so practical exam. I was nervous because of the environment. I mean, I wasn't sure if everything was on my laptop was prepared, and I had a really bad experience using my laptop because usually, I don't know why everyone use Google Chrome for the exam or Firefox. In my case, both of those browsers didn't work, so I used Vivaldi. But the problem was, well, when I connected to the test 15 minutes before it started, I was preparing everything, and suddenly I couldn't connect. So I got more nervous, more stressful, yeah. And that was a shame because I lost like half an hour trying to find what was the correct setup, why the browser wasn't working. And I'm up to this point, I'm not sure what happened, but Vivaldi works perfectly in my CKAD certification and in my CKA certification. So I recommend if you have some problems with the setup, try Vivaldi. It's a really nice browser. And what I used to do is to practice on my terminal or using the Code Cloud course, and also having opened the Vivaldi browser, so I could save the bookmarks of the documentation.
All right. And Nico, in your case, any technical recommendations you might recommend about what's important to have to be able to do this correctly and not have so much stress?
Yeah, I will say it's really important. I will say it's critical, or at least very, very important to have to spend the very, I don't know, like the first 5 to 10 minutes setting up the environment. Once you start the exam, you know, don't read the first question, just set up everything. For example, Beam editor, or I don't know, some aliases in Bash for kubectl and these kinds of things. I found this very, very important. It was a good recommendation that I read, and well, it definitely helped a lot.
All right, very, very good.
Also, the physical environment is really important. You have to be in a, well, you have to show the whole room to the person on the other side through the webcam of your computer. Also, well, they asked me to show behind my desk, you know, and behind, below, and everywhere around my desk, like 2 or 3 times. Also, you can have, for example, I have a bookshelf here behind me. I had to cover it with blankets because I have books here, you know. So